And there we go. Sassy's yummy Bloody Mary. Good morning, everyone. Happy New Year. This is the Sassy Kitchen Queen and with Greenhorn Barbecue and Beer. Today we're gonna start off with a Bloody Mary, Sassy Spicy Bloody Mary. First off, we're gonna start off by preparing our glasses. I'm gonna dip it here in this lemon juice, give it a little twist around in this little salt mixture I made with celery salt, paprika, and sea salt. Okay? There we go. We don't want too much of this because don't want it to be too salty. All right. So there we've prepared our glasses. We're going to prepare our drink. We're going to start off with 4 cups of tomato juice of your choice. It's probably going to be this whole container here. That's what it looks like.
That's 1 cup?
Yep. Followed by 4 ounces of vodka. Usually I do 1.5 ounces of vodka. You know, that almost lost count. Okay, we'll put 5. What the heck? It's New Year's. Then we're going to add some other ingredients. Here I have some pickle juice. Don't worry, folks. I have a recipe that we'll put on my page. Here we have some ground garlic. We have some Worcestershire sauce. We have some coarse ground pepper. And we have some celery salt. Then we have 2 ounces of fresh squeezed lemon juice, preferably without the seeds here. Sorry about that. Okay, a little overpouring isn't gonna kill it. Now, we are going to be using this smoked pepper bacon. We've got some cocktail shrimp and some lobster tails. And we've got some beautiful olives to garnish. Next, we're gonna fill our glasses with ice. But before I do that, let's put in the horseradish. And give this a good stir. You might want to do this with a whisk, you know, whatever works for you. Let's give it a quick taste to see how this tastes. Oh, that's yummy. All right. Don't kill me, folks. Almost forgot about the hot sauce. We gotta have that. So we're gonna put a tablespoon. Of hot sauce. Everyone has a preference as to how much hot sauce they want to use. You could use more, you could use less, whatever you like. I'm going to fill these glasses here with ice. Okay. We're going to go ahead and slip in our celery stick. This is a big celery stick. How about this one? fine. Okay. We're going to slip in one of our lobster tails here. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to pour our Bloody Mary mix. And then we'll finish garnishing. These are looking lovely. Okay. Here we have our olives. We have our thick cut bacon. Nice. I don't know if there's an easier way to do this except for putting it on a skewer. Then we're going to put some cocktail shrimp. Followed by another yummy piece of bacon. I'll make the first one. And there we go. Sassy's yummy Bloody Mary. This is yummy, folks. I'll put the recipe on my page. Happy New Year. See you next time.